Hello everyone! So today we are gonna learn numbers. This is the board and we're gonna arrange these numbers on the board like this, one by one. Yes, it's fun and learn at the same time. So we're placing the numbers from 1 to 20 and the signs plus, minus and equal to. Let's get started. Let's place all the numbers separately so that we can see them clearly. Like this. Yes. Now we can see all the numbers clearly. So here's the wooden board and we're gonna place the numbers on it. Now let's place the board in the middle. Okay? So, which number should we pick up first? 1? Where is 1? 1 is here. So here goes 1. 2? Where is 2? Can you see it? Here. Okay. So we place 2 after 1. We place 2. Now comes 3. Where is 3? Let me see. Here. We'll take 3 and place it after 2. Then 4. Where is 4? Here. It goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need 5. Where is 5? Here. In red. 5. Now 6. Where is 6? Where is it? Yeah, I got it. 6. Now we need 7. Here is 7. In yellow we have 7. After 6 comes 7. Now 8. Here's 8. Nice! Now we need 9. Where's 9? Yes! 9. Now we need 10. Not this one. Not this one. Yes! 9, 10. Now 11. Oh, it's right here. Correct. Now we look for 12. No. Where is 12? This one here. This is 12. Now let's find 13. Where is 13? No. Yes. Green 13. Now we need 14. This one? Yes, this is 14. Now we need 15. 15. Now this one. Is this 15? Yes. Now 16. No, not this one. This is 16. Correct. After 16 comes 17. 17. After 17 is 18. Here is 18. Correct. Now let's find 19. It's right here. It goes here. Now the last number, 20. We found 20, yay! Now the numbers are complete. Let's put the signs. Where is plus? It's right here. Let's put it here. And this is minus. We subtract numbers with the sign. We place it here. Now this is equal to. Completed! Yay! These are numbers 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Plus, minus, equal to. Done! We have learned numbers. Wow, kids! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.